Yeah, guys, thank you always for giving us attention, for watching our video. Please, today, myself and my student, we were trying to analyze sources of finance because today's topic was sources of finance. So we had to use one of our students' income to see what we will be left with in terms of what Homes Capital. Homes Capital is a very good source of finance. Now, today, we want to show you, after analyzing how an average earner in UK spend given the current economic hardship. So now, the income here is the student after statutory tax earns £2,000. The £2,000, it pays a rent of £800 and council tax of £150. The council tax here is not the tax on the statutory. It's what we pay to the council, like local government, every month. £150. If the person pays electricity, which is £250, and the next thing you find here is water. You pay water monthly, £30, and shopping plus minus, especially with someone that has family, £400. The transport to work to and fro, including especially those that has vehicle, this is not including car insurance, which you pay every month, but we sum up everything at £100. And we have internet £60 every month, and we pay phone £50 with internet every month. And for you to watch your television in the UK, you have to pay £15 for TV license. So summing everything together, we have about £1,855. So averagely, or to sum up everything, the student has only £145 left. £145 left. That's deduct this from the £2,000. That will be £145 left. So this amount here is not exhaustive. It's not exhaustive in the sense that we've not deducted so many other things. So average, this is what an average worker in UK will have each month. That's £145 as savings, which if this person wants to live a very comfortable life, he will have to borrow every month to survive. So it's quite difficult now for us to have Homes Capital as far as UK is concerned, because Home Capital is a function of how much you are able to save from your savings. Thank you for always watching our video. We really appreciate it. Please share this video to others to have opportunities and also to know what is happening to average worker in the United Kingdom, given the current economic downturn. Bye. See you again in our next lecture. Bye.